Vlog, Big Sweaty and I back in action here in Washington. We just finished game 1. I'm late today because I forgot the memory card. But luckily, Chloe picked it up for us.
Chloe's loving you.
Yeah, big help. I owe her something. Dinner stuff, I don't know. Whatever you want, you name it. 250 game 1 with on the pitch black on the scorpion pattern. Yeah. Don't know how long we're gonna be in it. The strikes didn't look fantastic, but they just kept falling every time we hit the pocket. But we're gonna have I think his name's Matt, film for us today. So we're gonna get some good content for you guys thanks to Matt. So thumbs up in the comments for Matt. Game 2 update. Got 214 game 2 clean, not very good. Got caught between the urethane transition that I saw coming, but I started with spare triple. So I was a little slow to make the move, but we're reactive now and we're probably just gonna hook it the rest of the day. We got 190 game 3, very bad. Had a bad shot in the second frame. A couple of good shots that didn't strike. Split 3 times, didn't pick up any of them. 8 strike 190. These games are a little rough. This tells me the ball reaction is not fantastic. But I don't really know if there's anything else in my bag that's better than what we got now, so we might have to just deal with it and let it come to us. I know it's only gonna get better, so we'll be okay.
Yo, like and subscribe to our boy D-Tang. Oh, we got Marshall Kent right here. He's the man. Hello, right here, you guys. Make sure like Vitamin D-Tang on Twitch and shout out Mean Dean, Dean Richards Pro Shop out here in Puyallup, Washington.
We're at the halfway point. Put up 250 this game, so we're 110-ish over. We're giving it the big wheel. If I remember correctly, they hooked more on the high end. Probably just start a little slower though. Keep our angles pretty similar. But we're doing okay. Done bowling, shot 240, so we're 150 and change over. Pretty good, 3 more games to go. Scores don't seem super high. We're 150 over, we're doing pretty good. And we have the front 4 of this game.
I think Jacob Buttriff's gonna win though. He's doing insanely good.
What?
Jacob Buttriff is insane
this
today.
Kid is, he's told my camera, he's doing my vlogs, and he doesn't even think I'm gonna win. Oh my god, you know what? Turn the camera off, turn the camera off. I'm sick of this. I'm playing chess. These boys are playing checkers.
We're out here playing checkers. He's playing chess right now.
Yeah, you're doing all right though. You get a good game. You're gonna make the cut. So we got the lead after 6. Just pulled 230 something. Don't know if we still have the lead. Butters is pretty close. But
killing it right now.
We'll see.
Killing it right now.
Yeah, you want to shout anybody out?
Yeah, shout out to everybody at Lynn Lanes and shout out to Darren and Tang for whooping my ass all day.
One more good game and we're home free. Cash money, top seed, baby. Tough pair of the last game. That's the wrong side of the camera, brother.
I know it is.
Yeah, good job.
Thanks, bro. Sorry you didn't make it.
I got a check though.
You gotta check. Big Sweaty got to check.
Rough last couple games.
Can we get some, I don't know, what's the good, can we get some Big Sweaties in the chat, in the comment section for Big Sweaty?
Let's do
Our
it.
guy, Evan Nash, he's a beast.
Good bowling this weekend.
Thanks,
Keep
brother.
it up.
Thank you. You gonna bowl 300 for me this time? I gotta bowl again.
I'll do it. I'll
All
bowl
right.
again.
Cool, let's go. All right,
Okay.
I'll let you know. Hit a tough pair of the last game, shot 2-0, but we hung on to the lead. I had no idea where we were really. A lot of high road pearl action. We had pitch black for the first game and a half. Might last a little longer tomorrow because it's only 2 a pair. We'll see how they are. They might play a little tighter. Finally got some pro am action again. This kid's probably gonna be really good one day. You gonna bowl on tour?
Hopefully.
Let's go. You gonna leave me hanging? Oh, we nuts one for the vlog, yeah!
Dude, this guy's awesome. Follow him if you're not following him already.
Yeah, hit the subscribe button!
Yeah.
Let's go!
She's gonna shoot 300, Darren. Let's go for
Are
it.
you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it?
I hope so.
Hope so! I wanna hear a yeah!
Get loud.
We need a resounding yes! Is it a nut? Is it it?
Oh! What a count.
I choked.
That's okay, it was a good try.
I got 2 red ones.
What do you say to that, Greg?
We got wood.
We got wood.
Man.
Yeah.
This is Colt 45 right
Yeah,
behind.
Colt 45. Is that your nickname?
Yeah.
That's pretty badass, I can't lie. All right, one time right here. Do it big for the
For the
vlog.
$7.99.
For the $7.99.
Ow! Colt 45 going for $7.95.
That's the future, folks. Hit the subscribe button for the future. We have great times at these Pro-Ams, so if you ever have a chance to bowl them, you can come hang out with us. We're just kicking it, bowl, we're having a good time, we're having fun. To everybody that did come out, thanks for supporting the PBA and supporting us. We really appreciate it. Marshall's in second. He's over there somewhere, but I'm in the lead. We got 12 games of match play tomorrow, and then there's a top 3 step ladder at the end. So stay tuned. We're gonna be vlogging all day. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button because, you know, come on. You love the channel, right? We'll catch you tomorrow.